Eagle Z is back. Super heavy load, brutal terrain, zero room for error. This is where maximum pulling power meets top-notch skill, and only the most seasoned drivers can handle it. Buckle up, let the games begin. Like a colossal steel dragon, the propylene tank silently glides through the narrow streets of the Netherlands. At 53 meters long and 8 meters diameter, it leaves anyone standing nearby breathless at this surreal spectacle. Staying calm and not overtaking, that was definitely the smartest decision in that driver's life. Sometimes being a little slow is the safest way, and thankfully that's exactly what saved his life. Given its enormous weight and size, moving the transformer from Mondstadt to Hofstad required calculating every turn and every road incline. The combination of a multi-axle trailer system and a skilled technical team ensured this journey was absolutely safe. The three-story Harriet F. Reese mansion, weighing 762 tons, was moved 600 feet to its new location on South Prairie Avenue in Chicago. It's one of the heaviest residential structures ever relocated in U.S. history. This move cleared the way for the nearby McCormick Place Entertainment District. From the broad riverbed, a colossal floating gold mining device is slowly brought ashore. Weighing over 300 tons and stretching 43 meters long, the journey to move it requires a specialized trailer, steel plates, and supports to evenly distribute the load. Every meter of that path is a symphony of power and steel. This incident clearly proves that when transporting bulky equipment like the CB300XP crane, route planning and knowing the turning radius of the tractor are absolutely essential. Mistakes in planning can lead to major traffic jams, wasting time and money. The Caterpillar 6015B isn't just an excavator, it's a powerhouse of strength and efficiency in mining operations. Thanks to its optimized design and durable engine, it can move massive volumes of material, helping the Soteriatis site reach impressive production numbers while keeping safety high and equipment wear low. SPMTs are more than just steel wheels. They're a complete system for load distribution, self-leveling, and precise movement. Thanks to this technology, the 1,100-ton yacht glides forward as smoothly as if it were on a stage, safe, precise, and absolutely impressive.
Ебать.
The gas pipeline suddenly erupted in flames, sending fire and searing hot gas spreading fast. But the CAT 320D excavator sprang into action, quickly using dirt to smother the oxygen and cool the blaze. That rapid response was key to getting the incident under control quickly.
Она вернулась, что ли?
On the town's narrow street, the green prime mover, powerful like a sumo wrestler, moved slowly but steadily. It had to climb a slope while squeezing through a tight corner, carrying a yellow beast SH-200 on its back. Every step forward was a moment of intense stress. Each tractor is carrying a massive component on its back. With such outsized dimensions, the entire journey demands a careful balance of precise driving skills and modern trailer support systems to ensure safety and avoid collisions with roadside obstacles. If you liked our video, leave a 3-3 in the comments. Your support inspires us to create more. The Caterpillar D6 TLGP is firmly gripping the ground at a major concrete pour site. With its wide tracks and exceptional traction, it handles the uneven, sloped terrain with ease, creating a solid, level base for the concrete work that follows. What a great machine! What do you think about just one prime mover hauling a 42-meter-long, 115-ton steel beam? In your opinion, what's most impressive? The engine's power, the driving skill, or the passion for pushing every limit? Share your thoughts.
Straight as long as you can. The back going on the flathead or just on the hill? Still on the hill. Start turning, Will. Good on your tail, son.
It's really a shame to see these machines being destroyed. That's a dragline. It doesn't roll, it walks, each massive step shaking the ground beneath it. The journey from the Lubstau mine to Tomisławiec isn't just a relocation, it's an awe-inspiring display of sheer power and technical mastery. A first-time sight. The Nootboom 3/5 Euro ICP rolling out with the CAT 349. This new generation of trailers boasts a lower loading height, wider deck, and optimized center of gravity. What a truly excellent design. Navigating this terrain is incredibly difficult. Besides a good vehicle and excellent skills, they'll also need a bit of luck to get through safely. A masterpiece of a yacht 40 meters long and weighing 50 tons is leaving Oversized on its cross-border journey to a shipyard in Italy. The sight is nothing short of a spaceship gliding across the ground, enormous, gleaming, and utterly captivating. It's not every day you see a helicopter pad transported like this. At 22 meters wide, 9 meters high, and weighing 80 tons, moving it required not only immense pulling power, but also extremely precise load calculations. The transport team did an excellent job. This operator's skill is pretty impressive, but if he keeps doing this, the hydraulic system might wear out sooner than it should. If you're curious why this cat is plowing so deep, it's because they're converting this farmland from row crops to fruit or nut trees. Proper drainage is essential for that. This convoy was moving along when it suddenly came to a stop. A man crouched down to inspect the machinery and the tires. I think they might have a flat tire. What do you think? Lowering the trailer to get that gas turbine under a low bridge isn't just a trick. It's a precise dance of load calculation and hydraulic trailer technology. Once again, the heavy haul industry shows that no challenge is impossible to conquer. If you love these awesome heavy haul moments, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell. See you in the next episodes.